Judge Celeste Morgan sat at the bench, her robe draped heavily on her shoulders as the bailiff called the next case. It was an ordinary morning in the county courthouse, filled with routine hearings and grim faces. But when the defendant was escorted in, her heart skipped a beat. Standing in front of her, in an orange jumpsuit with shackled wrists, was Marcus Hill, her childhood sweetheart, the boy who had once walked her home from school and shared dreams of escaping their rough neighborhood. For a moment, Celeste's professional mask faltered. Memories flooded back. The long summer evenings when they laughed under streetlights, the promise he made to protect her from bullies, the tearful goodbye when her family moved across town. She hadn't seen him in nearly 20 years. Now, instead of the confident teenager she remembered, Marcus looked older, worn down, his eyes carrying the weight of too many mistakes. The courtroom remained silent, unaware of the history between them. The charges were serious: armed robbery and possession of a firearm. Celeste knew the law demanded impartiality, but inside she wrestled with emotions she thought she had buried long ago. Was the man standing before her truly guilty, or was he another victim of a system that often swallowed black men whole? As the prosecutor laid out the evidence, Celeste listened carefully. Surveillance footage showed Marcus at the scene, but his defense attorney argued he was coerced by dangerous associates. Marcus himself never raised his eyes to meet hers, but she could feel the unspoken recognition lingering between them. Her mind drifted to the boy who had once promised he would make it out so they could both live better lives. When it was time for Marcus to speak, his voice cracked with emotion. He admitted he had made mistakes, but insisted he was trying to turn his life around for the sake of his daughter. The mention of a child jolted Celeste. Marcus, the boy she once loved, was now a father fighting for redemption. The courtroom awaited her ruling. As a judge, she knew she couldn't let personal ties sway her, yet she also knew justice wasn't just about punishment. It was about fairness. After a long pause, Celeste ordered Marcus to enter a rehabilitation program instead of facing the maximum prison sentence. Gasps rippled through the room, but she stood firm. As Marcus was led away, their eyes finally met. A silent message passed between them: gratitude, regret, and the bittersweet echo of what might have been. For Celeste, justice had been served, not just by the law, but by mercy.